how you go to shoot a 2-minute marketing video with your phone, except it takes 2 hours. You absolutely loathe yourself in it and it doesn't perform the way you need it to. This course fixes that. I fixed that. And the way that I fix that is through a series of steps, some of which are about messaging and reading and understanding who your audience is. But the bigger part of what I focus on amongst all of that is how to be compelling on camera. And it applies, the best practices really apply to both recorded video, such that you post on social or schedule to post on social, and live video. Because as I always say, the opposite of good video is not bad video, it's off video. There's so much great stuff out there that if your video is not good, they're hitting, they're scrolling by it, or they're hitting stop, or they're turning it off. So you have to be able to deliver in a way that makes people want to stick around for the end of your video when you have your offer or your nugget, or you invite engagement, or whatever your call to action is.